Welcome to another edition of This Old House. I am Derek, your HVAC technician, and right now we're going to demonstrate how you do superheat. So, first we're going to do is determine our refrigerant type. Right now we're working with 410A. So, we'll just write down 410A. Alright, so we take our suction pressure, we go over here to our suction line, and our suction pressure is about 109. We'll do 109. PSI. Refrigeration boiling point is approximately about 35 degrees. Right now we put a load on our condenser, pushing out 103. Over here we have our suction line temperature. And right now we're reading about 95.9. So, all we're going to do now is put our number in. So we have our refrigerant boiling point is 35 and our suction set is 95. We're just going to take 95.9 and minus 35. Let me just pull out my calculator. So we have 95.9 minus 35 degrees. We have a superheat of 60.9. That's how you figure out superheat. Suction line temp minus refrigeration boiling point equals superheat.